Casey with the Golden Bracket Racing YouTube channel. As you can see, we just got the car back and running again. Everything's good to go. I fixed everything that could possibly be fixed on this car now. Sorry for all the sunlight coming in those windows. Should be good to go on everything. I'm still going to go to Galat Thursday and do one more test tune with it. I think there'll be no pushing me back this time, no more rewiring. I rewired the entire car this entire weekend. Sat in here for about probably 6-7 hours rewiring this car. There's nothing else that could possibly go wrong with it other than a catastrophic failure, so I think we're finally good to go. I actually have a guy interested in buying this car off me somewhere in Tennessee, so we'll see what he has to say about it. If we can come to terms on something, then you guys might see me next time with something else, because we're just going to keep on trading up until we get what we want. So talk to you guys later. I'll get back with you after test and tune, maybe have a video of it running down the track, and we'll get some cool stuff going. So talk to you later.